Hi everyone, today we are going to be making blueberry sculptures. So I have already kind of started. You are going to need some blueberries or some grapes, and you can also use toothpicks to help make your blueberry or grape sculptures. So what I do is I grab a blueberry and a toothpick, gently put the toothpick in through the blueberry. Now I can start creating a sculpture. I'm trying to create a cube. Whoa. So I already have a square and another square, and I'm gonna be forming a cube. So I need to be building the sides of my cube. Okay, I am almost done. So I finished my blueberry cube. A cube has 6 sides. And I wonder how many corners it has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, it's coming apart. Let me fix that. Everything is just coming apart now. Okay. Hope you guys have fun making your blueberry or grape sculptures.